Hello everyone. So I am Dr. K. Geetha, so Assistant Professor of Botany, SFR College for Women, Sivahasi. So today, we have to learn a important topic, that is a bacteria. So now you have to see my hands. So as your hands are free from microbes? No. As a lot of microbes present in my hands also, your hands also. Yes, especially as a Pseudomonas bacteria, that is a gram-negative bacteria present in our hands. So let's go to the topic. So you have to see as a salient features are general characters of bacteria. As a bacteria are very unicellular. Unicellular means it has very single organism. It may be present in everywhere. What is the size of bacteria? It is very minute in nature. So maximum 0.5 to 1.8 micrometer size it has. As a bacteria can be found in almost every ecosystem on earth. So as a bacteria are found 2 billion years ago. So it comes under prokaryotes, not eukaryotes. So some bacteria are pathogenic and cause disease. Here you can see as a rod-shaped bacteria, as a bacillus. So this kind of bacillus is present in the milk. So as a bacteria history, so who find out the bacteria? Who is the identifier for bacteria? Yes, the great scientist Anton von Leeuwenhoek in the year of 1676, he introduced and observed the bacteria with the help of microscope. The term bacteria, Greek for small stuff, so was first used in 1838. So as a Robert Koch and Louis Pasteur, so both the scientists are bacteriologists. So those scientists introduce and identify the bacterial disease in 19th century. The first antibiotic used to treat as a bacterial disease was made by Paul Ehrlich in the year of 1910. So it was used to treat as a syphilis kind of fever. So this is the structure of bacterial cell. So all the bacterial cell has essential parts. Yes, as a human beings has a outer covering layer, that is a skin. The skin is mainly made up of epithelial cell. So likewise, as a bacteria also has 3 layers. The outer covering layer, that is a capsid, then middle layer, that is a cell wall, then innermost layer, that is a plasma membrane. So all the cell organelles are present inside the bacteria? No. So essential cell organelles are only present in bacterial cell. So what are that? So one is the very important one as a genetic carrier, that is a nucleus is present in bacteria. So next as a ribosomes, then mesosomes are also present in bacterial cell. So apart from that, as a pili and flagella is also present in bacterial cell. What is the main function for flagella? So flagella involve as a locomotion. Locomotions are nothing but that is a movement of bacteria. So it can move from one place to another for searching the food. So next pili, so it involves a reproduction. So these are the parts present in the bacterial cell. So next, so I want to tell about as a general characters of bacteria. So most of the bacteria are omnipresent. So that is it is present in everywhere, already I have told. So it is present in as a air, water, soil, etc. So most of the bacteria comes under as a unicellular in nature. It comes under as a prokaryotic. It has as a rigid cell wall. So maximum it comes under autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. Yes. So as a chlorophyll is essential for photosynthesis, you know well. Yes. So all the bacteria, so especially as a gram-negative and a gram-positive bacteria, the chlorophyll pigment is absent. So apart from that, the special kind of chlorophyll is present in bacteria. So that is bacteria chlorophyll. Yes. So next, the cell wall of bacteria is mainly consist of as a peptidoglycan and murein layer. Yes. So lack most of cell organelles, it has 70s ribosomes, it has a lack true nucleus. Lack, so nothing but that is the absence of true nucleus. So what is the main functions of nucleus? You know, as a transfer of genetic material from one cell to another cell. So next, the basic histone, that is a protein molecule is present inside the bacterial cell. So all the bacteria has either DNA or RNA. What is the main role for DNA? So it involves transfer of genetic character. So inside the DNA as a single circular chromosome is present. So apart from that, the folder like structure, that is a mesosome, is present. So next, as a cell membrane is also present, it involves as a respiration. So next, reproductive structure of bacteria. So all the bacteria involve a reproduction. So especially it involves as a vegetative and the asexual sexual reproduction. So under the vegetative reproduction heading, so you have to learn as a binary fission, cyst, budding, etc. So what about asexual reproduction? So maximum as a bacteria involve the formation of gonidia, motile spores and endospore. True sexual reproduction is absent in bacteria. Yes. So what are the reproductive methods present in bacteria? So one is as a conjugation, second transduction, third one transformation. So these are the some characteristic features for bacteria. So next class, so we have to learn another topic. Bye all of you.